Hi guys, so today we're working on the wrapping porch roof. It's gonna be all covered in with panels, so we're gonna try to get that done. And then we're gonna try to work on the other side, and we're gonna probably work on this side for a little. Okay? So right here, we're gonna probably do some over there and then some over here. So when we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna stop there, and then we're gonna go all the way around and do the other side, stop right at that panel, and then we're gonna do the middle for a little.
So we're framing the corner for the overhang porch. So the way that we did that is we put a screw sticking out of the fascia 3/4 of an inch. We pulled a string line down. We measured the distance from our last purlin out to where that string line would be if it aligned all the way down the fascia. Once we got that measurement, we cut our stud on the outside. So this purlin will, this front face will get a piece of track that caps over it like this. So this makes our corner. So we finished the wrapping porch framing just now, actually. So we did this hip, did that last weekend, finished off that far hip where the child's running underneath. It wraps around, comes around, there's a valley there, and then there's our porch. We've got a couple of pieces left to put in, right in there in between the outriggers for the overhang, but most of it's all done.
Right now, I'm gonna be running in some of the video, but not all of it.
What are we working on today?
Today we're working on the wrapping porch.
What's that mean?
It means that we're working on top of the roof.
What are we putting up on the roof?
Panels.
Panels? Metal studs?
Mm-hmm.
Picking your nose?
Today, we are going to do the wrapping porch roof.